Wenzhou Sunny Electrical Company Limited designs and manufactures premium wall switches, sockets, and LED lighting solutions. Located in Wenzhou, China, we dedicate ourselves to stylish, durable, and innovative products that meet international standards. With over 300 employees and state-of-the-art facilities, we focus on R&D to produce high-quality, safe, and long-lasting products. Stringent quality control and competitive pricing have led to CB, CE, and G-Mark certification. We provide customized solutions for homes, businesses, and industries worldwide. We supply major distributors, lighting retailers, contractors, and end users globally with premium, affordable lighting solutions. Timely delivery and reliable customer service have earned us trust and satisfaction. Our vision is to become a global leader in wall switches, sockets, and LED lighting solutions. Through inspired designs, we connect spaces and brighten lives. Continuous optimization enhances product performance and safety to assure customers. Join us in shaping the world with lighting solutions that inspire. Upgrade your space or redefine ambiance. These years, our products have enhanced buildings worldwide. Partner with our engineers and benefit from significant advantages. Together, we empower sustainable lighting globally. Let's collaborate to build a brighter future through innovative lighting. Integrity, innovation, and partnership drive us to enrich today and tomorrow. Committed to long-term relationships and sustainability, the future is bright.